Today we are going to be learning about the geography of Central and South America. First, let's begin with a quick bit of history. The Americas, or New World as it is sometimes called, was first populated when people from Asia migrated over the land bridge that once connected Russia and Alaska. Once the land bridge melted, the natives remained isolated from Europe and Asia for centuries. After Christopher Columbus discovered the New World in 1492, it became a race between the Spanish, Portuguese, English, French, and Dutch to populate the New World. The New World was named America after Italian navigator Amerigo Vespucci. Land was eventually divided into North America, which is made of the United States, Canada, and Mexico, as well as Central America and South America, which we will learn about today. First, let's begin with Central America. Central America is a large isthmus or narrow strip of land that forms a link between larger land masses. It contains 7 countries, all of which speak Spanish except for Belize, whose official language is English. Central America can be separated into a less populated Caribbean half and a more populated Pacific coast. The sides are divided by a densely populated highlands region. Overall, Central America has a humid tropical climate with distinct rainy and dry seasons. The region boasts rich foliage and a diverse assortment of birds, reptiles, and insects. The Central American volcanic arc extends down the Pacific coast from Guatemala to Costa Rica. In the region, there are more than 40 volcanoes, with the highest point being Volcan de Fuego in Guatemala. Another geographical feature of South America is the eastern lowlands, which sit between the mountains and the Caribbean Sea. The region receives a very high amount of rainfall, sometimes twice as much as the Pacific region. The Panama Canal is a 50-mile-long waterway that connects the Pacific Ocean and the Caribbean. The canal revolutionized trade because before it was installed, ships had to sail around the southernmost tip of South America in order to reach the west coast. The U.S. owned and operated the canal from its opening in 1914 up until 1999, when it was handed over to the Panama Canal Authority. A series of locks transport boats from the lower sea level of the Caribbean to the higher sea level of the Pacific. South America is composed of 13 countries. The climate varies throughout the continent, ranging from mountains to rainforests to deserts. Because it is located in the southern hemisphere, winter occurs in June and July, while summer occurs in December and January. The most well-known feature of South America is the Amazon rainforest. The Amazon rainforest is the world's largest tropical rainforest, covering most of northwest Brazil, extending into Colombia, Peru, and other countries. Many rivers, with the most well-known being the Amazon, flow through the region. The region is hot and humid with high rainfall and a wide variety of plants, insects, and birds. The Andes Mountains run along the western side of South America from Venezuela down through Chile and Argentina. Machu Picchu is a famous Incan village situated high in the Andes Mountains of Peru. Patagonia is the southernmost tip of South America. The Argentinian side features grasslands and deserts, while the Chilean side includes glaciers and temperate rainforests. The two sides are divided by the Andes Mountains. Two popular water features in South America are Lake Titicaca and Angel Falls. Lake Titicaca is on the border of Bolivia and Peru and is the world's highest navigable body of water. It is said to be the birthplace of the Incas. Angel Falls, located in Venezuela, is the world's tallest waterfall. Water plunges straight down for almost 3,000 feet. Some popular islands off the coast of South America are the Galapagos Islands and Easter Island. The Galapagos Islands are located off the coast of Ecuador and are a popular vacation destination for snorkeling and scuba diving because of the wide variety of marine life. Easter Island, located off the coast of Chile, is famous for its huge stone moai heads, which were built in the 13th to 16th centuries. Overall, South America includes many different and popular geographical features in its various regions. Now to compare the geography of Central and South America. First off, both have regions with hot, humid, and tropical weather. These regions, for the most part, receive frequent rainfall and have an array of plants, birds, and insects. Another common feature between the two is a mountainous and hilly western side with a lower, flatter eastern side. The Central American volcanic arc runs along the western side of Central America, while the Andes Mountains run along the western side of South America. Both Central and South America have a famous man-made feature. Central America has the Panama Canal, while South America has the Moai Heads of Easter Island. In regard to language, most countries in both areas speak Spanish, but each have a few countries that speak various other languages. Now you can see what features make Central and South America similar and also those that make them different and unique. I hope you learned something about the geography of Central and South America today. Thanks for watching.